Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're joining from. This is session number 21. We are doing from D3 User Group Middle East. This is the session on Excel productivity hacks to transform the way you work. And we have started this group and the agenda for today is group introduction and today's session and upcoming session. Disclaimers, views expressed are from speakers and do not represent view from their employers or Microsoft. Contest moderator and lab environments are being used for the events. Any recommendation coming out of the session should not be applied to production environment directly. It should be tested in sandbox environment. The session will be recorded and Teams. And if you do not consent to be part of the recorded session, this is the good time to disconnect. So you can reach out to our social media on this QR codes. So we have LinkedIn, YouTube, and our own website. And we are 1400 plus members growing globally and increasing. And we are focused on Microsoft Dynamics 365 and related hacks. So this group is supported by me, the leader, and Umesh Pandit as the volunteer for this. And you can go through our past sessions on our YouTube channel. Under this YouTube, D3 User Group Middle East. And today's session is Excel productivity hacks that transform the way you work. And we have Srishti Kumar, MVP, joining us from India and giving us the session on Excel productivity hacks. Srishti is reachable on the email ID and she holds an MBA and Microsoft MVP for Excel. And she's the founder of Align Excel. And she's helping 300 plus professionals to Excel, to master Excel productivity. And she has 5+ years of experience in FMCG, e-commerce, retail, and healthcare. And she's well known for Excel. And she's reachable on Instagram and LinkedIn here. Over to you, Srishti. Srishti, if you are speaking, you're on mute.
I was so thank you, sir, for introducing me, and good afternoon to all. And let's check the Excel hacks. Okay. And I don't want to waste your time. Today is the weekend. Okay. I will sharing my sheet. Is it visible?
Yes, Srishti, we can see it. Yes, we can see.
Okay, okay. Shall I start?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So as you know, when you work on sheets, you manually type the dates. So there is no requirement of manually typing the dates. You can just use the date picker, like how you can do this. Like just click on the cell, go to the home tab and click on the add-in and type calendar and use this mini calendar. Click on the cell and mention the date, whatever you want. Okay, just switch the month and mention it. Okay, so okay, so now move to the next hack. Like just as you know that when you mention the serial number and filter the data and delete the rows, uh, the serial number will missing. Okay, so what you have to do here is just mention the formula, like uh, equal if open bracket cell number is C3, like this. Okay, and use conditional form, logical conditioning. Okay, equals comma aggregate using 3 count. 5. Ignore the hidden rows. Okay, and select the cell reference. See, lock the cell, close the bracket. It's done. When you filter the data like this, it will automatically defect, right? Select uh, or when you delete the like sorry when you delete the row, it automatically defect. I hope it's clear. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, Srishti, you are audible.
Yeah. Please respond if this
Yeah,
hack
sure,
is
sure.
clear. Yeah. Okay. So move to the mm, next hack. Okay. So whenever you receive the sheet, you will get the so many formatting, so many like this type of editing. Okay, so what you have to do is just formatting the this type of data. What you have to do is just control select the data by doing control A, and press alt HEF, clear all the format, as you can see. Okay, now press control Z to back. Okay, now move to the next.
Srishti,
uh,
maybe you can show that option instead of the shortcut as well so that everyone can understand.
Sorry, could you
Which
please
button
repeat
to
that?
click
Okay. Sorry,
instead
sorry,
of the
sorry.
shortcut? Yeah.
So for okay, shortcut is Alt HEF. Okay, just press Control A to select the data. Okay, or wherever you want to move the formatting, like Control Shift left arrow, then down arrow, select the certain area. Okay, and press Alt HEF. Okay, now it's done. I hope it's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now back. How you can back to the this type of editing, like press Control Z. Okay, and move to the next hack. If you want in proper name, like first letter will be capital and all are in small and word. So what you have to do is just mention equal proper formula. Okay, and select the cell. It's done. Okay, and for all in, if you want in all alphabet in capital letter, what you have to do here is just equal upper, select the cell reference. It's done. And for doing all in lowercase, just mention lower, and it's done. Okay, you can so much easy. Okay, now move to the next formula shortcut. What you have to do here is just if you want to calculate the average, sums, or any type of calculation, uh, and you have so much, you have this type of lengthy data. Okay. So what you have to do here is just mention, like, you want average. So what you have to do here is just equal average, open bracket, and click here and press Control Shift down arrow. It will automatically take it. You can check. Okay. And if I remove the data like this, what shortcut I'll take, like Control Shift down arrow. Okay. And when I remove the data, okay, this shortcut will not work. Like, wait, equal average, open bracket, and press Control Shift arrow. This will not work. Okay, what you have to do here is just click here and double click here. It will automatically take whole data. Okay, okay. I hope it's clear.
Yes, it is clear.
Or I repeat.
Maybe once more.
Okay, so come to the flash fill. I think everyone is familiar to this. If you want a first name, just type uh, ZHON, first name, and press Control E. Okay, it will automatically take. Or if you want a certain number like 9876, okay, and here you press Control E, it will automatically take. Or if you want to separate like this, okay, and press Control E, it will automatically take. Okay, so now come to the this hack. Okay, so when you work with the company or anything, and you want to copy the data from any document or any screenshot, so what you have to do here is just go to data, from picture, or from select the file, or select the picture, insert. Okay, insert the data, insert. Okay, this Excel will copy all the data from the screenshot. Okay, from now move to the okay, I want to clear one thing, like if you want this data, or or yeah, okay, like this data, and you want to move this data to other sheet. So what you have to do here is just control, press control and drag it here. Okay, two, two sheets are prepared now, same data. Okay, this is the another hack you can try if you want. Okay, now come to the I want to explain top keyboard shortcuts in this whole big data. So what you have to do here is just, if you want to navigate from top to bottom or left to right in large data, so what you have to do here is just press like here you can click in this part, so you navigate to downside. Okay, and when you click here, you will go to up. Okay, and you can also press control downward key. This will also work. Okay, like this. Control downward, upward, left, right. arrow key. Okay. And the if you want to resize the rows and column, if you get the data like this, okay, wait a minute. Just select the data. Okay, like this. How to resize the column? What you have to do here is just select the data like this and stretch it. Stretch the width. Okay, okay. Just stretch the width. It will automatically take all the data. Now this will work with the same with this row. Okay. And if you want to select the certain row and column like this, control shift, you can select the whole column, sorry. Okay, by pressing control shift row. And if you want to select whole row, what you have to do is just control shift control sorry shift and control will select the whole row. Okay. And if you want a sum of this data, okay, like wait, like this. Okay, just press alt equal. Okay, this will calculate the sum of this row, this column E. Okay. And I hope this is clearing to you.
Yes, Nishti, it is clear.
Okay. Okay. And like this is the random shortcuts you can. Okay, so if you want same data like here, this cell data. Okay, what you have to do is what you guys are doing, like copy and paste, like you are doing, right? So what you have to do is just control R. Okay, it will automatically take. And if you like type USA, okay, and you want same data here, what you have to do, control D, control D, control D. No need of copy paste here. Okay. So now move to the, okay, yeah. So like if you're manually typing the same data again, this will take a lot of time, right? So what you have to do here is just press alt and down arrow. So you will it will show a drop down list. Okay, select the data like this. Wait, alt and down arrow. No need to type a same data and again. Okay, and you can do this with this also, alt and down arrow. Okay, like this. Or what you can do here, like if you want to add a comment, okay, and you circulating a sheet within a team, or you uh, want to check anything in within a team, you can mention a comment section. Okay, like here, or yes, here, yeah, just press shift F2. Okay, this will show a comment section. Please check, mention the comment. Okay, like this. Okay, and if you want to add a multiple rows or multiple column, you just mention control space. Oh, wait. This is not working. Something wrong with this. Okay. I hope I have clear almost 15 shortcut here. If you have any doubt, please clear it.
I think I have asked in the chat also. If anyone have questions, you can type or you can ask, unmute and ask as well. For now, nothing is there. You can go ahead.
I think I'm done from my end. If you have any query, please ask.
Okay, Srishti, maybe some of
Hmm.
the questions usually we tend to feel is we generate lot of data from Dynamics. Okay, we are more of Dynamics consultants, so
Hmm.
the formatting and all doesn't come properly. Okay, and that
Hmm.
is one of the biggest challenge, the which you have showcased the conditional formatting, removing it. And second thing, how do we clean the data? For example, there is a dot creeping in between the text. Okay, when we upload this data to Dynamics, it gives a lot of errors. So is there a way we can clean the
Yeah, you
data?
can. Yes, you can use Power Query for this. For that, okay. It will if you normally solve the data on normal Excel, okay, normal using this normal feature, so it will take a time. But using a Power Query, this will resolve.
Okay, so if you can just give us like a small input on the how to use the Power Query, then it will be great.
I have no data for that. If I have, then right now
Just show us the
I
query, maybe
I have
we will try to use.
so basically all the data is already formatted. Already formatted, so I will show. Yeah, not visible.
We can still see your Excel sheet. Is it what you're showing?
Okay. So wait. There's some error.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us. Thanks, Sisti, for showing us through the Excel tips and innovations. So we'll definitely use them and do it. Uh, Thank you so much. We'll end the session now. Thank you. Have a nice evening.